M0FXB Digital Ham Radio Diary. Welcome. M0FXB, good morning from the UK. Decided today we're going to have another go at Doozy terminal mode for the Icom 705. It's made by David, PA7LIM, so thank you, David. And so here we are, we're on his the main page. And the first thing he's telling us to do is to download the USB driver from Icom. So we've already done that. Here it is here. I'll add the link in the description. And you go to the bottom and you click here and it will download, and then you run that compressed file. There is a manual as well here, manual download page, you can have a look at that. So the idea of Doozy is that it uses terminal mode, so no antennas, just a cable, USB data cable, to connect you to all the reflectors, like D star. Let's have a look. Yeah, D star, D plus, D extra. So it's mainly a D star connection tool, you know, XLX, DCS. Right, okay. So there's a picture of it, or of it in action. It's it looks a bit like some of the other programs on the Blue DV system. And it works on the 705, 9700, the 51+2. And the 31 plus, they need a cable. So does the 9700. So does the 4100. And then the new 52 when it eventually comes out. And there's a Facebook page for it as well. So, okay, so we click the software link here and it takes us here. Then we're going to click that. Let's double click it. Right, there it goes. Oh, it looks like I must have clicked it earlier. That's why it's down there somewhere. So we'll run it. Next. Just click next on everything by the looks of it. Close. Right, let's see if we can find it. So start. Doozy there at the top. So we'll hit that. See the window open. Down here. Okay. Right, so there's our window. We'll leave that there, and then we're going to read how to connect. Okay, so go into menu. These are the settings required. So let's do this. Menu. Set. Look for connectors. Connectors. Mod input. That's where we're going. Mod input is set to mic USB. Okay. So where is it? Data off mode. Mic USB. Yeah, we've already got that. Okay. Menu 2. DV gateway. Set your menu 2. DV gateway. Let's do this. Menu 2. So we'll go menu. Number 2. DV gateway. gateway select, and it needs to be external USB. Okay, there you go. Right. Do we then have to go into terminal mode? Go back, terminal mode. Right. We're in terminal mode. Next one, set your call in the radio. Go menu. We might have already done this, so we go menu. Set. Go to my station. I've got my call in. Right, we've done that. So, okay. Set the Icom 705 in terminal mode, which we've done. In Doozy, switch on and connect your favorite reflector. So, I noticed someone once put the meter on. Thought it looked better. There you are, we have a meter. Right. So, cable's connected. So we're going to turn on. Okay. COM port. We haven't set our COM port. So turn it off. And this is the bit we're going to work out about the COM port. So we go right click, go Doozy, not Doozy, device manager. And we'll go to ports. Now there's Icom. And the one he said, I'm pretty sure he said use that one, COM7. So how do we set that? Can't see at the moment. COM port 1 does not exist, so okay. So we just need to work out how to select COM ports. Right, I'm going to stop the video and work it out. So what we do, we click here. You've got these two squares. So this one here is where I can select my port. Now I worked out that I thought it was device manager, and I thought it was ports, I think it's 7. He does show us, doesn't he, which one to go for. 0 port B COM7. Let's just see what he shows us. Yeah, that's if you look down here, he says it's 0 port B. So we know it's COM7. Okay. Now call, I'm guessing that's where, is that where I put my call? So I know it says no call. M0FXB. Okay. I might as well click the update thing. You can see it's updated here. Save. And I just wonder what this window does. Oh, there you go. It's a little message. So right. So now we fire this on. Keep an eye on the radio as well. It says connected. We're not connected to any reflectors yet. Just going to make sure that all my hotspots are turned off, because I know you two people can't go into one Charlie. Right. They're all off, so let's just go straight to one Charlie and see if we can get a contact. Eventually we're going to going to do it live. I'm just going to do it now for this video, and then I'm going to change to live mode. So, not really sure if it's working yet because there's no cloud showing on the radio. So let's just turn this on. You would expect a cloud on the radio. It does say connected though. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo calling for a contact. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo. Well, it looks alright. It looks like it's connected. We're on the speaker mic. I can hold it near the this microphone then. Ah, we have someone.
Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike London calling you.
Okay, and look, it showed his call sign here on that little list. JJ4VML, thanks very much for coming back to me. My name's Andreas, I'm located southwest UK, and I'm just using the Doozy system with an Icom 705. Back to you.
Roger, Roger. Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo, Andreas. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. My name is Hisanori, Hotel Italy Sierra Alpha, November Oscar Romeo Italy. My name is Hisanori, but my name is wrong, so my handle is Hisa, Hotel Italy Sierra Alpha. Okay, my QTH is Hiroshima City, Japan, and your signal is 5x9. Merit 5 to me. Back to you, Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike London. Over.
Just get him up on QRZ in a sec. JJ4VML. JJ4VML. Yeah, very nice to meet you. Nice, clear, strong signal. The radio I'm on is in terminal mode, so no antenna at the moment, just a USB cable into my laptop, and I'm actually talking into the speaker microphone that comes with the radio. So you're sounding good. Now, what radio are you using there? Back to you. So JJ4VML.
Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima from Hiroshima. Okay, my interface is the smartphone and ambi server. I'm using the smartphone now.
Smartphone.
I'm not using a transceiver now. But I can use both the transceiver and smartphone. Okay. You are using a transceiver. Back to you, Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. Over.
Let's get the name again. Hisanori. Yes, Roger, I'm using a Icom 705 in terminal mode, and it's using a program on my PC called Doozy that allows me to connect to reflectors, DCS and XLX, and it works very well, very easy to set up. So I'm interested that that you're using your Android phone. What program are you using on your phone to have this contact? Now, is the name Hisanori?
Roger, Roger. Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. You are using the Icom Ic 705 new transceiver. Okay. In my car, I often use ID 4100. I'm using it, and in my house, I often use ID 51 plus 2. Okay, I'm server. When I use the server, we need a Raspberry Pi and the micro SD, including the information about the server. So the setting up is a little difficult was a little difficult for me, but I did it, and I can use the M server. Okay, back to you. Mike Zero, Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. Over.
Yeah, Doozy's working really well. Yeah, Roger, M0FXB returning. So is it basically are you also running a Raspberry Pi 3 as well to enable this to work? Is that what you mean? Is it like a server on your Raspberry Pi, and then you're using your phone as to communicate back to you?
Roger. Yeah, that's right. You are right. And the information with the Pi 3 is included in the Raspberry Pi, a small computer. And the information is sometimes version.
So it's running a server. A bit like DV Switch.
Even when the new version appears, we have to change to the new version. So, but now the new version doesn't appear now. We can use
it's not the
a
latest
long
version.
time, I think. Okay.
These apps are very popular, aren't they?
Anyway, MV server is very convenient. We don't have to use a transceiver, so it's convenient, I think. Okay, thank you very much, and please send me your QTH. Back to you, Mike Zero, Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. Over.
JJ4 VML M0FXB returning. So yeah, all understood. I do run something similar. It might be the same, or it could be a different one, and that is I run DV Switch on my Raspberry Pi 3B, and that basically is a server, and that works very good. I'm pretty sure with that one you can do all modes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can do C4FM, DMR, and D-Star using that server. So I wonder if it's the same, or did you say it's called M7? M7. I know there are other servers out there that you can, you can configure. So my location is southwest UK. So I'm about 100 miles west of London, or about 20 miles west of Bristol, and I face towards Wales and then Ireland. Back to you.
Roger. Mike Zero, Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. Andreas, this is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima Hisanori from Hiroshima, Japan. Okay, you live in the border between England and Wales. All right, southwest of England. Okay, my friend lives in England, whose name is Steve Sugihara. His call sign is Mike Zero Whiskey Golf India, but he only used a 40 meter. He doesn't use the reflector, so I can't talk with him through the reflector. I haven't talked with him for a long time. The condition of HF is not so good now, so I cannot talk with him. Okay. Thank you very much today. Let's talk again. I often listen to this reflector, so please talk again. Thank you very much today. Have a nice day today and good luck. This is a final to you. Mike Zero, Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. This is Juliet for Victor Mike Lima. Over.
Okay. Okay, Hisanori, thank you very much for the contact. Very interesting and good information. And I've looked you up on QRZ as well, and got some information there. And everything's working very well. So you take care, and hope to talk again one day. The time, just to let you know, the time here in the UK is 9:23 a.m. So 7-3, and all the best. M0FXB, we're clear. Right, well, that was a nice contact, and what we're going to
or Foxtrot X-ray Bravo. This is Jury for Victor Mike Lima from Hiroshima, Japan. Thank you very much, and let's see you again. Best 73. Bye bye.
Yeah, cheers. So, yeah, that was a nice contact, nice friendly guy there in Hiroshima. So what I'm going to do now is finish this sort of setup video, and I'm going to actually go live for about half an hour just using Doozy. So 7-3, catch you on air. Please subscribe and like.